bro. I'm about to go see Shorty right now.
Hey, how are you? Hi, bitch. Did you fucking touch her? Yeah, are you done?
If you flinch at your girlfriend and she jump, you an abusive boyfriend. That means you hit your girlfriend.
I'm definitely not abusive. Baby.
Huh?
Come here.
What?
Come here. I want to do this video with you. Alright, look at the camera.
Sorry.
Look at the camera.
The hell? You do too much. Oh, you just do too much.
You really just slapped me that hard?
You doing too much. That's all I gotta say. You doing too much.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm not the abusive one. You're the abusive one.
Who even said I was abusive?
Aw, you look so cute sitting there doing absolutely fucking nothing, bitch! Get your ass up!
Wait, skirt off, hurry up, go.
Okay, wait.
On her way to her nigga's house. Whitney! Oh my god!
Go, boy! Let's go, boy! That's what we do, son! She wanna turn to a fucking...
Okay guys, so I've been seeing this trend go around where people put their speaker in the cupboard and they play a scary noise and they have their significant other come in the kitchen and get something and that scary noise plays. So I'm gonna be doing that to Zarek. Babe,
Yeah.
I have to go to the bank and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Can you clean the kitchen counters?
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
What the fuck, dude? How am I gonna fucking clean this shit?
Can you find me?
What the fuck?
Can you find me?
Oh, hell no, bro.
I'm here.
Bitch, where?
Behind you. Behind you.
Oh, stop, babe! Babe!
I forgot my keys.
Fuck you!
What is wrong?
You didn't kiss me when you left!
I told my son to watch this video.
It disappeared.
Hey, who the fuck took a sip of my cranberry juice? I knew this would happen. That's why I rubbed my nuts on the rim of the bottle. Everything okay, Johnny?
Oh God, I'm not gonna hit you. Oh God, I'm not gonna touch you. Oh God, I'm not gonna hit you. You're not gonna touch me? Nope. You're gonna go home. On God. On God. On God. Let go. Bitch, I don't believe in God.
Go, boy! Let's go, boy! That's what we do, son!
She wanna turn to a fucking...
Okay, so you know how like you said that you like really love like when I shave and stuff?
Yes.
Well, I kind of did something. I'm kind of nervous, but here. What the fuck? It's not real!
Sorry.
There we go. There we go. Got his ass. What was all that shit, boy? Come on now, get up. That's all you gonna give me?
In the bathroom!
Oh man, I'll wait till you come out.
Boy, bring your ass off up in here. What you talking about? You wait till I come out. I smelled your shit for 22 years. Now you can't smell mine for 5 minutes. Shut the door. Now your mama told me what happened to you yesterday.
What?
What'd you say? Yeah, he's right here. He's wearing black shorts and a t-shirt. Come jump him right now. I'm gonna keep watching him. He's walking off. I'm gonna follow him until you come. I'm gonna follow you.
Fix your damn face.
Hi, honey, how could I help you? Oh, that's like so sad. Okay, well, I gotta go, hon. But God bless. Donna should be here very shortly. I'm going on my lunch. Good luck, hon. No, baby, I can't help you. I will go overtime in my... No! Go enjoy some snacks in the lounge. It's free coffee and donuts, hon. Okay, what's your date of birth, baby? So it's really quick. Where's your insurance card? You don't have your insurance card? Oh. Honey, next time be more responsible and plan accordingly. I can't do it. No. I can't look it up. I can't give more of my time, honey. I apologize. Go take a seat. Thank you.
Dad, can I go to a friend's house? I don't care. Mom.
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Yo, what is your problem? Tell me what's the problem.
Do you want to play the game? Okay, I'll let you play. Wait, why does it say new game? Where's my save file? You deleted my save file! Why did you delete my save file? I worked so hard in this game and you deleted everything! Mom, he deleted my stuff! It's all gone!
Siri, call my job. Siri.
I'm not calling shit.
What you say?
I said I'm not calling shit.
Why?
Because yo stupid black ass shoulda woke up.
I didn't hear my alarm go off.
And who the fuck fault is that?
Siri!
Hello?
Hey, I'm running late. I woke up late. I didn't hear my alarm go off. I'm gonna be like 10 to 15 minutes late. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Just get with us when you get here.
All right, thank you. I appreciate
No
that.
problem.
My bad.
You're good. You're good.
All right, bye.
I hope they fire yo ass.
Siri, shut up talking to me. First of all, why didn't you wake me up?
It's my job to set the alarm off, not to wake your motherfucking ass up.
I put my grandma on timeout.
When you put me on no motherfucking timeout, you don't go sit your ass down till you put me on some fucking timeout. Time your ass out this motherfucking door. That's what you do. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm trying to watch fucking TV. I'm not on nobody's fucking timeout. If I punch you in your fucking chin. No, I might knuckle sucker your fucking ass. Get the fuck away from me, boy.
What do you call a man without a body and a nose?
What?
Nobody knows.
What do you call an American bee? What? A USB.
What do you call a cute door?
What?
Adorable.
What do you call a funny group of cows? What? A laughing stock.
It's about time you fed me, bitch. What the fuck is you doing?
Ay, bichotazo! 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 Bichotazo!
You sleep? Don't close my door.